But I wouldn't worry. You know Sage, if anyone can rally. This is not what it looks like.
Isn't what it looks like. My future husband just exploded! Sage! Oh, Sage, what happened? Why does he have wheels on his feet?
Yeah, weird, huh? Guess you never really know someone until they explode.
Clover and Sage are hitched, you snitches. Let's make some
Well, I hope it lasts longer than my 12 marriages. Of course, most of my wives died of old age.
Gonna be strange not having the whole gang together anymore.
Yeah, but you know what I love about our lives, Momo? Something big, and I'm talking huge, could be just right around the corner.
King Julien was right, kids. Something big was just around the corner. But that's an adventure for another day.
Huh? Where are we?